Okay, now what are we doing?
In the hole, just
What are we doing, Hunter?
making them go. These rice bubbles
Yeah.
going into there.
Okay.
It's wasting.
What do you call this thing?
What?
Maybe we shouldn't go there. Here we go. Should we turn it on?
Not yet.
What's it called?
Suck hole.
It's a bit awkward, isn't it? Okay, here we go. We're going to turn it on.
And then,
Ready?
And then we can
Go.
have a...
Okay.
Turn it on.
Wait, on. Alright. Okay, one more thing. This is where it's going to get crazy. You ready? Go. Other way. Oh my god.
Did you do it?
What do we call that, Morgan?
What about this one?
What's it called?
Oh my! It's even bigger. Eat it.
Okay, great.